Conditional clauses. If clause also is a conditional clause. Also there are several if type conditional clauses. Why we call conditional sentence? We call it conditional because one action causes something to happen. Means if we fulfill the condition of if, the main clause result we can find, or the main clause shows its result. Generally, the conditional clauses are introduced by if, whether, unless, provided that, as long as. But our discussion is based on if conditional sentences or if conditional clauses. Sometimes learners get confused to decide the structure of the conditional clause, and sometimes they also face difficulties in which situation, in which circumstance the conditional clauses are used. What is the time, what is the tense, and what is the sentence structure. All these are very important on the viewpoint of our discussion. Request my learners pay attention to what this video teaches you. Our conditional sentence or conditional if clauses are several types. First we say type 0 conditional. Then we say type 1 conditional, type 2, type 3 conditional. So why they are titled as so? What is type 0? What is type 1? What is type 2? What is type 3? All these are if clauses. We will discuss taking different examples to clear our doubts, discuss one after another. Our first discussion, type 0 or first conditional type. First conditional, why you call it type 0 without calling it type 1, type 2 or type 3? In order to read if conditional clauses systematically, we tagged the serial number type 0. Dear viewers, I request attentively, mindfully look at these sentences and you guess as far as possible what would be the answer, which is the incomplete part on the right hand side. First sentence, if you kick a ball, it dot dot dot. Second sentence, if you hit red hot iron, it dash. If I pour oil, it dash. The answer for right hand side blanks perhaps will be same. Whatever is your answer, also which is equal to my answer, and whatever my answer, and so will be the answers of others. So the answer is same and unique, and it is guaranteed. Let's answer. If you kick a ball, yes, I kick a ball. If the action happens, what it causes? कौन घटिब? It rolls. If you hit red hot iron in the condition of red hot, it very easily bends. Your answer is bent, my answer is also bent. So the output or result is same. Whatever you will tell, I also tell. If I pour oil, it whether floats or drowned, you will tell it floats, so will I. It floats. So here is what we find, the result or the output. Output means the main clause. If condition is fulfilled, if kick is fulfilled, the ball rolls. If hit is fulfilled, it bends. If pouring is fulfilled, it folds. So the result is guaranteed. So when we use such type of structure, in which circumstances we use type 0. So if we give our focus the pattern of a tense, what is the pattern of a tense? The pattern of a tense, that is if clause. We say it is if clause. If clause, present simple. Then main clause, it rolls main clause. Main clause is also present simple. Time also present time indicates. Meaning, the meaning is if we fulfill the kick, it rolls. The meaning is guaranteed, the result is guaranteed. The structure is if part of present simple, main clause, present simple. We knew. So when we use, in which circumstances we use such structures, such patterns. So this conditional type 0, it is very useful. It is very useful to express what? Scientific truth, general truth. Means what happens in our physical world if something is caused. जदि किछि घटिला ताले कौन हबो? What would be the output? If the output is known to everyone, such pattern is used. तेल ढालिले भासिबो, हिट कले बेंड हबो, किक कले रोल्स करिवो. Means output is guaranteed. where we find the output is guaranteed. If one condition is fulfilled, other action will happen. That is type 0 is used. It is used for or very much useful to express scientific or general truth. Type 1. If you come, I will be happy. If my friend donates something, I will arrange the feast. We discuss the sentence. If you come, if clause. After if clause, there should be comma. I will be happy, main clause. If my friend donates, if part or if clause. Donate something, I will arrange the feast, main clause. If part is fulfilled, the main clause will happen or likely happen. The main clause likely happen. Chance is 50-50. That is a possibility. If you come, I will be happy. I assure. If you come, I will be happy. But after coming, the result, happiness, may be caused or may not be caused. So, the chance of happening or the chance of a possibility is 50-50. May happen or may not happen. But we say it is likely happen. If my friend donates something, I will arrange the feast. I likely to arrange or the action arrange likely happen. So there is a possibility. The possibility may happen or may not. So on this sense, on the sense of a possibility, type 1 is useful. So type 1 is used where there is the chance of a possibility. If something is fulfilled, if coming is fulfilled, I will be happy. I will be happy, there is no guarantee. Here the action will happen, no guarantee. I will arrange the feast, there is no guarantee. But when type 0 express, the output is guaranteed. But here is the output or the main clause is not guaranteed. There is no certainty. On the sense of uncertainty, on the sense of a possibility, we may use type 1. तुमे जदि आसीब मु खुशी हेबी, तम आसिले मु खुशी हेबी, खुशी हेई पारे बा न हेई पारे, देयर इज नो ग्यारंटी. माय फ्रेंड डोनेट्स समथिंग, आई विल अरेंज द फीस्ट. जदि सांग किछि दिए मु भोजी अरेंज करिबी, हुए तो करि पारे बा न पारे. So we find, what we find? We find the structure of the sentence is, structure of the sentence is, if part present simple. You write down it, if part present simple. Then main clause shall, will, can plus V1. This is the structure of the sentence. So then we see tense. Tense is present. Main clause present simple. Sorry, if part present simple, main clause can take the modal, all the modals, shall, will, can, such type of modals. Shall, will, can, main clause takes. So tense is present simple. After tense, the meaning is future, or time is time. We say time. Time is future time. It express future time. So what we find? Type 1 express present time. Future time. Express future time. Present tense. If part takes present simple, main clause takes shall, will, can plus verb. From our discussion, we knew type 0, the result is guaranteed. Type 0, result guaranteed. Result or output or main clause, whatever you say. But type 1, result is not guaranteed, but there is possibility, likely happen, possibility or likely happen. And tense pattern is type 0 present and type 1 also present. In type 0, the main clause takes present simple. But in type 1, the main clause takes shall, will, can plus verb. Type 2. If I were a tiger, I would live in the jungle. If I had wings of a dove, I would fly in the sky. You mark the if part. If part, past simple. Then you mark the main clause. I would live in the jungle. Main clause, modal would, could or should plus V. And you discuss, if I were a tiger, I am man. I can never be a tiger. So it is fully imaginary or hypothetical. So when the if part is hypothetical, the main clause part also impossible. And for any event which is unrealistic, if our condition is unrealistic, if our condition is imaginary or hypothetical, we use type 2. So type 2 is widely used for unrealistic or imaginary events, or the events which are hypothetical, the actions which are hypothetical. And the if part of past simple, main clause would, could, should plus have. We see that is the tense. The tense is past, but you mark the time. मोर डेना रहिले आकाश रे उड़ीबी. The time is present or future. It is present or future, tense is past. And again, another alternative pattern is also possible. We can write, if I were a tiger, I also write were I a tiger. The main clause is unchanged. Here the main clause is unchanged. This pattern is also used. The meaning is same. It is used for emphasis. This pattern is used for emphasis. If I had wings of a dove, I would fly in the sky. Means मोर जदि डेणा रहिबो मु आकाश रे उड़ीबी. Actually the sentence express the meaning, I have no wings, I will not fly or cannot fly. मोर डेणा नहीं मु आकाश रे उड़ी परिबी नहीं. When we take the sentence into a imaginary sense concept, the pattern is changed. If plus past simple, the main clause takes would, could, should plus a verb. यह अवास्तव काल्पनिक लेकि असंगत कंडीशन पाई व्यवहार करा जाए. Type 3, if conditional clauses. Type 3, if you had worked hard, you would have got good results. This is the sentence. What is the actual meaning of the sentence? Actual meaning of the sentence. The present result would have been something separate if something had happened past. If something had happened past, if you had worked hard, something had happened past, the present circumstance would be something different. You would have got good results. Here the tense pattern. The tense pattern is if clause past perfect. Past perfect because had plus a V3 form. And main clause MC, main clause would have, would or should or could plus have plus V3, past participle form. This is the special structure used. The actual meaning of the sentence, tense, the actual meaning of the sentence, you did not work hard, so you did not get a or would not get a good results. This is the real sentence, actual sentence, but the speaker makes condition the opposite way of the actual action. The actual action is this, but he makes condition opposite of the actual action. You did not, if you had. Here is minus, not means minus, and not means minus. Here there is not, without not means it is plus, it is plus. It is minus meaning, it is plus meaning. When it is plus meaning, it is minus meaning, and when it is plus meaning, it would be minus meaning. You again mark. If you had worked hard, तमे कठिन परिश्रम करिथिले. you would have got results, तमे फल पाई था. Means you did not work hard, कठिन परिश्रम कल नहीं, you did not get good results, भल फल पाइल नहीं. Here the tense is past, tense past perfect or past, then the time also past, time also past. Before closing this video, I again want to fit something. Type 0, it gives us result which is guaranteed. Tense, if part present simple, main clause present simple. Time also present. Time also present. Type 1. Type 1 means express a possibility. If part present simple, main clause will, shall, can plus a verb. Tense present, meaning future. Type 2. What we have read? It is unreal if I were a tiger. Hypothetical. If part always past simple, main clause takes would, could, should plus be. Tense past, but time present or future, future time. And come to type 3. What I read? Present circumstance would be different if something had happened past. जदि अतीत किसी होता एमती होता यही सेन्स रे हम व्यवहार करछंती. इफ पार्ट ऑलवेज पास्ट परफेक्ट हार्ड प्लस V3 and main clause is always would, could, should plus have plus V3. I hope it will give some facilities to understand the chapter in a clear way.